Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the new logo for your team by the claim the kick-off logo rewards in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping play button. And as you can see, there are some live event here, tournament and division rivals. So what you need to do first is tap the live events, and this one, tap this kick off. So make sure you already complete the intermediate kick off challenge or kick off campaign, and if you get it done or finish the intermediate campaign, you can go to this one, expert, like power shot, regular cross, skill move, and many more. And I want to show you this one, kick off logo. Let's claim it, and we've got a kick off logo, and we can change the logo by tapping the setting button or directly to the club. Go to the locker room, tap the user logo, and this one, kick off logo, by tap confirm, and your team logo is changed. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.